Seafile, my honest review and user experience. Is this cloud storage worth it? If you're searching for secure cloud storage, Seafile promises privacy and efficiency. I've tested it, and here's my honest experience. Most people think all cloud storage is the same. The surprising truth is Seafile emphasizes file synchronization, team collaboration, and strong encryption, making it ideal for businesses and privacy-conscious users. Getting started is simple. You can use either the cloud-hosted service or self-host Seafile on your server. The desktop client syncs files automatically, and version control allows you to track changes easily. Collaboration is smooth. You can create shared libraries, assign permissions, and even comment on files. I tested it with a team project and updates were instant, keeping everyone on the same page. Security is a strong point. End-to-end encryption protects sensitive data, and access control can be customized for individual users or groups. This is especially important for companies handling confidential files. Pricing is flexible. The free plan is good for individual users, while paid plans provide larger storage and advanced features. Self-hosting is cost-effective for organizations, but requires some technical setup. The only downside is the initial learning curve for team settings and library organization. Once set up, however, Seafile is highly reliable and fast, even with large files. In conclusion, Seafile is a robust cloud storage and collaboration solution. If you value security, team collaboration and file versioning, it's worth considering.